Inferiority complex. What is inferiority complex and how to combat that? Feelings of insecurity and insufficiency can be distressing. You cannot perform well with other people, co-workers and friends. These feelings are occasional and highly situational. You have to remind yourself about your strengths. Feelings of insecurity emerge from different incidents, such as being dumped by a romantic partner or getting fired from a job. These insecurities and feelings of low esteem led you to an inferiority complex. You start blaming yourself if anything bad happens. You keep attacking your self-esteem in different times, especially when it is most fragile. The cycle of inferiority complex is so ingrained that it constantly causes you to waste opportunities. You become biased about yourself and remain discouraged. The good news is that you can stop these unhealthy reactions, overcome psychological distress, and enjoy a more fulfilling life by boosting your self-esteem. Feeling inferior in different situations is human nature. It is a collection of feelings, thoughts, tendencies, and behaviors. Upsetting thoughts are repetitive. People with inferiority complexes feel responsible for the mistakes and shortcomings of others. They seek attention from others by pretending to be depressed or ill and trying to steer the conversation back to themselves. They avoid any type of risk and competition. They are extremely sensitive to both criticisms and compliments. Superiority complex is the opposite of inferiority complex. It is recognized as a narcissistic personality disorder. A combination of factors becomes the cause of inferiority complexes, such as the genetic inheritance of a different type of oxytocin receptor. Unrealistic standards of society set through social media, advertising, celebrities, are other influences. Stereotypes or discrimination based on gender, race, colour, sexual orientation, or culture. An inferiority complex cannot be formally diagnosed like any other physical or mental disorder. Clinicians and psychologists use the terms inferiority complex and low self-esteem after assessing anxiety disorders, depressive disorders, and bad behaviours. There is no limit or duration of inferiority complex. It can last for years, or even a lifetime, if left untreated. Counselling can help treating inferiority complex by repetitive, positive statements. Cognitive behaviours therapy is one of the well-recognised treatments for low self-esteem and inferiority complex. It needs to be treated because people who fail to meet social standards and suffer inferiority complex for a long time may experience psychological pressure that leads to extreme behaviour such as self-harm and substance use. Some common patterns of inferiority complex which can be prominently observed are abandoning success by saying that it took more time than normal, focusing on negative things and distorting the worth of positive things, converting positive things into negative things by undervaluing compliments and success, reaching negative conclusions without evidence. To treat this condition, the first step is to understand how thoughts arise and what causes them. Through communication and therapy, psychologists and counsellors help to shift the focus from negative aspects to positive aspects and strengths. They help restore self-esteem and confidence by teaching them how to let go. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.